A very good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn grammar. Before moving forward, I would suggest everyone read this sentence, or I would say everyone read this sentence carefully. The city of Jaipur is bright and colorful. Geeta learned many new words at school. Full stop. Third, the Hawa Mahal is made up of red and pink stones. Fourth, she chose the right color. Fifth, they went to the park. Sixth, the sun rises in the east. Here I have underlined the action words or helping verbs. These sentences or these verbs expresses here the action has done happening right now. So these verb forms are called mentioning here, expressing here, time of action. So today we are going to learn tense. What is tense? Verb form that shows the time of action is called the tense. Here are the verb forms. Rises, went, chose. These are the past tense. Rises, it is mentioning, it is or expressing here simple present tense. How? The sun rises in the east. The sun is rising from the east side. So it is a true happening right now. It's a true sentence. So main verb it is rise. Next sentence, they went to the park. It shows the past tense because the action has done. Main verb is go. So this they went to the park, it's a past tense. Third, she chose the right color. Main verb is choose. So in this sentence, chose it is the past tense. The Hawa Mahal is made up of red and pink stones. In this sentence, it is here helping verb, and this sentence express here true. The action is happening or the action has telling here true sentence. Geeta learned many new words at school. She learned, main verb is learn here, and learned it is the past tense. So she learned many new words at school. Learning has done already. So it's expressed here the action has done. It mentioned the past tense. Past tense. The city of Jaipur is bright and colorful. City of Jaipur, it is really bright and colorful. So it is this sentence express here true, expressing true sentence. So the verb form that shows the time of action is called the tense. So these verb forms chose, went, rises, learnt, is, these are the verb forms that shows the time of action is called the tense. In tense there are three main kinds of tense. First is simple present tense, second past tense, third is future tense. We should have to focus in simple present tense. This is the sub part of a present tense. There are four different parts of a present tense. One of them is simple present tense. First type of it is simple present tense. See the example, my friends often send me presents. Listen carefully all of you. My friends often send me present. Present means gift. The sun is very hot, it gives us light. In this sentence, this sun is very hot, it gives us lights, it expresses true. In the first sentence, my friends often send me presents. It's happening or action has done regularly. Often regularly, action is happened often very regularly. We wear warm clothes in winter. We wear warm clothes in winter. This is also true. This sentence expresses true. An action is done regularly. Next example, I wake up early in the morning. So these sentences expresses an action that is done regularly. It is also used to express something that is always true or happening right now. Happening right now. See, I wakes up early in the morning. We wear warm clothes in winter. The sun is very hot. It gives us light. All these sentences expresses the action has done regularly or happening right now. These sentences are in the simple present tense. Rahul plucked the flower from the garden. Which action is happening right now? Suppose Rahul is plucking the flower. Plucking flowers is plucking the flowers from the garden, from the tree. We should have to write here tree. From the tree. So the action is happening right now, plucking. So this type of sentence included in simple present tense. Let us move simple past tense. See the example. With the help of these examples, we will understood. You should learn better. You can understand better. First, we arrive in the evening. Main verb is arrive. Main verb is arrive here. But here use ed. It shows the past tense. We arrive in the evening. Because it mentioned arrived. It shows the past tense ed. Second, Geeta learned many new words at school. Main verb is learn. Here mentioned learned. It is added to the main verb. It shows the past tense. She learned new words at school. The farmers grew wheat in their fields. Farmers. What they grew? Wheat. The action has done. Main verb is grow. Misha came very early. She already came and she came very early. It's mentioned very early. It's showing here the action has done early. Main verb is come. So came, it shows the past tense. Fifth, the soldiers fought very bravely. Here fought is the past tense. Main verb is fight. So this type of words, this verb form shows that these are the simple past tense. This type of verb forms mentioned in this type of sentence, these are included in simple past tense. These sentences tells us that these actions happened in the past. In this sentence, the action has done, happened in the past. These sentences are in the simple past tense. Let us continue the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. First sentence, I dash dash bracket walk slash walk bracket complete 2 kilometers yesterday. Here he or maybe she walk yesterday 2 kilometers. They walk yesterday. It shows yesterday shows its action has done, happened already. So we have to write here. Choose the correct answer, walk. Next,